Hi, my name is Nicole Meneses, and my narrative is a cautionary tale of how tacos and hiking do not mix. So without further ado, here is Enchanted My Foot. It was a beautiful Texas morning. The sky was clear, the weather was cool, and my family, my husband and my daughter and I, decided we were going to walk all the way up Enchanted Rock and be back down in time for lunch. Easy peasy, no problem. So we walk up there and I get to the base of the rock and I remember thinking to myself, it's a lot taller than I thought it would be. My husband's like, it's gonna be fine. And my daughter, who's uber excited about climbing up the rock, was like, Mama, you can do it. I'm like, you're right, I can do it, let's go. So at first it was pretty easy. We were just climbing up the rock, but then it started to get really steep. And I was having trouble breathing. So I told my family, y'all just go on ahead without me. I'll meet you up there. And I realized that I could no longer walk straight up, and I was gonna have to zigzag. So I left my pride, and I'm pretty sure I left my left lung, and I started a zigzag. So I would zigzag to the right. Take a breath. Zigzag to the left. Take a breath. But I was doing it. I was getting there, and I was so close. The Rocky theme started playing in my head. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. I was almost there. It wasn't the top yet. There is still so much more to go. I collapsed onto a rock, and tears started to come down my face. Visions of air life support coming in to carry me off the rock floated through my head. And it was at this moment when my husband came over and said, you know, if you just walk with purpose, this would be a lot easier on you. And I think I said that I could throw him off the rock with purpose, but I'm not sure. And I looked over at my daughter and she was like, Mama, you can do it. You can do it. So contemplating what I was gonna do, I realized I had two options. One, I could roll down the hill to my certain death, or two, I could keep going and make it up the hill. What did I decide to do? Did I make it? Yes. Did I make my daughter proud? Yes. You could do it, Mama. You could do it. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed my story.